Samuel! Yeah, we're playing with my blocks. I'm building a big robot. Samuel! What's all this mess? It was you. Clean this mess right now. No, it's not me, please. It was not me. It was you. Clean up the mess. Mommy fell. Oh, can you help me? Okay, sure. Here you go, Mommy. Okay. We have to clean this mess, okay? Yeah, it was you. You actually just made this mess.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Health Wise Shula. So today we're going to be cleaning Samuel's play area, and I'm going to be sharing with you some few tips and tricks on how to make this work. So if you're interested to see this, stay tuned. Hello again everyone. Are you overwhelmed when you see mess like this? Are you stressed out when you see all this mess? If your answer is yes to these questions, don't worry. Today I'll be sharing with you some tips that have worked with me and my toddler. So in today's video, I have a co-host that is Samuel, my son. He is 3 years old. If you are new to this channel, welcome. Thank you so much for joining us today. This channel is educational and motivational. So in this channel, you will see videos on home decor and home organization. So please make sure to check the playlist for more videos on home decor and home organization. Again, welcome to my channel. Please do not forget to click the like and the subscribe button if you really enjoy what you see. This will go a long way to promote my channel. Before I share with you some tricks on how to turn this mess into a clean and organized home, I'll start by saying, please let the kids play. Kids need to play. This helps with their development, emotionally, physically, cognitively. So please let them play. Don't worry about your house. You can organize it, and you can also get them to help you organize the house. Today I am going to be sharing with you some few easy tips on how you could organize your kids' play area. You can either do it with them if they are big enough, or you can do it by yourself if you still have really young kids. But it is always more fun if you include your kids in the organization process. Put all the small cars in there. Good job. What's that called?
Ambulance.
Really? What does an ambulance do?
It says wheel. It's not working.
It's not working?
Yeah.
But what does it do? What is it for?
It's for taking people to the hospital.
Really? Why?
Yeah. Because people when they're hurt.
When they're hurt?
Yeah. What
So they call the ambulance?
Look. This.
What's that?
A police car.
Let me see your police car. Show me.
And it takes people to jail.
It takes people to jail?
Yeah.
Really? Why?
Because when people stare at bad guy.
When the people are the bad guys?
Yeah.
So it takes them to jail?
Yeah.
Good job, baby. Good job. So tip number 1 today is to differentiate the toys. Like right now, as you can see in these organizers, all these toys here are cars. We have his books right here. So tip number 2 is to give every toy a home. After differentiating the toys, give them a home. Okay, baby, let's do all the action heroes. Is that an action hero you have?
No, this is a robot.
That's a robot? You think you can go with the action heroes?
Yeah.
Okay, come on, let's see. Here, put it here. What color is that?
Blue.
Blue, okay, put it in there. Okay, put all your action heroes in there. All the action heroes. So So for toys that you don't know where to keep them or you don't have a name for them, just call it miscellaneous. So for the miscellaneous toys, like right here, it's a bunch of things. He has this windmill, he has this house. So I put all of his miscellaneous toys in here. Why is it called miscellaneous?
Because they don't have a home.
Good job, because they don't have a home. So this brings me to my third point, which is to display a few toys at a time. So let's say Samuel wanted to play with his cars today, so he will play only with the cars. And then let's say he wanted to play with his blocks. I'll go ahead and display the blocks. Or okay, what do you want to play with?
Blocks.
Or in this case, give him the go ahead to display his blocks. And if you have younger kids, you could do that for them. So you could start by displaying fewer toys at a time. My fourth point, which is to clean up before the next game. So if you have way younger kids, you could display a set of toys. When they're done playing with them, you clean up and then display another set of toys. That makes it easier with the final cleaning process. So for someone like Samuel,
one goes stay here, one goes here. Let me see. What's missing? It's a tail. Let's try this. There. It fits.
good job.
There. It's almost everyone. Then it's the tail. Then way here. There. It fits. That means the bottom. There. What the rest of that? So eat the tail.
After playing, what would you do?
Clean up.
And then what?
Build my blocks.
Good job! Wonderful! Yes! So after playing with your blocks, what are you going to do?
Clean up.
Good job, baby. Good job. You got it. So yeah, so clean up before the next game. This makes it easier for the final cleanup. So this brings me to my fifth and final tip on how to easily organize.
Cleanup song.
Let's sing the cleanup song.
Yeah. Ready?
No. We'll sing it soon. My fifth and final point. Always allocate time for final cleanup. The game cannot last forever. Let the kid know that in 10 minutes time games will be over and it's gonna be final cleanup, or in 5 minutes time games will be over and it will be final cleanup. So always allocate time for final cleanup. And what do we sing during the final cleanup?
Cleanup song.
What's the cleanup song? Can you sing with us?
Clean up.
Time for you to clean up, clean up, clean up. Clean up, clean up. Time for you.
Clean up.
Time for you to clean up. Hello again, everyone. Thank you so much for watching this far. And if you haven't clicked on the like and the subscribe button yet, my son has a message for you at the end of this video, so make sure to check that out. So I got this organizer from Amazon. It was on sale. I cannot remember how much it was. I guess maybe it's because of the pink colors, that's why it was on sale. I don't know, but it was the cheapest one on there. And this organizer has helped a lot with organizing my son's toys, and has also helped to keep my house clean and organized, because like I mentioned, my son has to play with only a few toys from the organizers at a time, and then cleans up, then goes to the next toy. So that has worked well so far, so I think it works.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.
Who is your favorite?
Flippy is.
Blippi?
Yeah.
Really? How do you spell Blippi?
P-O-I-P-P-I. Flippy.
Oh, do you see Blippi somewhere?
I see him.
You see him? Is that Blippi? Oh, let me see.
is Blippi.
Oh, wow. Are you wearing Blippi's favorite colors?
Yeah.
What is Blippi's favorite color?